this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find work of reviews and rating numbers online that are within 5 years being listed. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 2. Category 4. Category 5. Category 6. Category 7. Category 8. Category 9. Category 10. Friends, we talk about amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen. Details will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is good in case that you enjoy the surroundings. Activities of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property along with various meal plans and payment policies. To book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, check link in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem with the road property, you can tell us by commenting. If you have already visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.